हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम टू हाईटेक बिलसॉफ्ट्स यूट्यूब चैनल। हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस करें ताकि आपको हमारे लेटेस्ट वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन और अपडेट्स सबसे पहले मिले। तो हमने तो ऑनलाइन स्टोर बना लिया, सेटअप भी कर लिया एंड सारी सेटिंग्स भी समझ आ गई, पर कस्टमर्स कैसे यूज़ करेंगे इसे, यही क्वेश्चन है ना? तो वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड. Once you have created the online store for your business and ready to launch, you can make the online store live by clicking open button on top right corner of the online store dashboard. You can share your online store URL and QR to your customers via WhatsApp, email and Twitter directly or simply copy and share. Once your customers click on the URL or scan the QR, they will be redirected to your online store. Once they visit the home page, they can check out the products, categories, collections, and special offers in the store. They also get options to search products to easily find their desired product from the store. To buy, wish list, or add the product, click on the product. Select Buy Now option to buy the product, or you can easily wishlist the product by clicking heart icon and add the product in the cart by clicking the cart icon. If any coupon code is available, we can add it the coupons option and click continue. Your details will be fetched if already logged in. Else, add your address details and other fields. Once all the details are added, either choose COD or pay online. That's it. Click place order and the order is placed. है ना super easy for your customers? तो आज ये वीडियो कस्टमर्स के साथ शेयर करो ताकि वो भी इजीली अपना ऑर्डर प्लेस कर सकें. And for more online videos on online store, view the online store playlist on Hitech Buildsoft's official YouTube channel. If you found this video helpful, like this video, share it with other business owners, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips.